Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can make use of Chrisvicmall to place your orders. Okay, so there are two ways you can make use of Chrisvicmall. All right. The first way could be that you just want to use them to, ship your products. Okay, you have an agent you want to use to send to them right there in China. Okay, so you can still make use of Steven, and Stephen will procure your products and send it to the office of Chrisvicmall in China. And Chrisvicmall will help you to deliver it to Nigeria or ship it down to Nigeria. All right. The second way is that you can have Chrisvicmall purchase and ship down your products for you. So instead of going through Steven to make the procurement, they can help you to purchase the products and ship it, right? So the flow is okay. You can see it right here, chrisvicmall.com, and create an account, right? So once you have your account set up, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you have something in your wallet. Okay, so there are various ways you can have deposit money into your wallet. All right, so you can use your bank account, you can pay with bitcoins, you can pay with your credit card, you can withdraw your cash if you don't need it right there anymore. Okay, so I've been on this site for a while. Okay, and it's trusted. Okay, it's trusted. Okay, they are not going to go away with your money, so you don't have to be scared. All right, so once you have your account filled, okay, once you've deposited funds into your account, the next thing you want to do is head over to 1688 or tabor.com or jd.com. 1688 is actually where you will get the cheapest. Okay, most of these other sites they purchase from 1688 and they list them on your site. Okay, so because you have lots of manufacturers on 1688, so you will be able to get your products very cheap there. All right, so once you head over to 1688, you can use because the site is in Chinese. I've told you guys that you can use an extension, okay, something that will translate it into English. Okay, so you can use the Google extension, okay, using the Google Chrome. Okay, now what you see here, the browser I'm using right now is Google Chrome browser, so you can make use of that extension. Okay, you can see my own extension right here. Okay, I can easily translate any page to English or to any language that I want. Okay, so once you head over to 1688 and you've got your um, the link to the product you want, okay, what you want to do is to make sure um, you come over here to find your address, to fill in your address. Okay, so because of course you are going to be having purchase and shipping, okay, because of that's what you want to do. If you just want to do purchase only, fine, then you find someone to make the shipping for you, to purchase and send it to an address that you want. Or if you want them to do the shipping like what I talked about, or you have someone who will make the purchase for you and you send it to them in China and they'll ship it down here to you in Nigeria, you can do that. But I believe lots of persons don't really have someone in China unless you are making use of Steven to do that for you. So you can use them to purchase and ship. So you come over here, you click on that. Okay, so once you've been able to do that, what you want to do is you fill in the website name that you're buying from. You can see they have lots of websites here that you can buy from, but 1688 is just the best of all of them if you want to get really cheap products. Okay, so you put in the product link right here, you put in the number of the unit price of that product. Okay, then the quantity that you want, product option, if it is red, if it is black, you have to tell them what exactly that you want. Okay, after which you can, if you have the seller's number, okay, you can put it, but it's not really necessary. Okay, that's if you have it. Okay, so once you've been able to do that, you want to add it to your cart. Okay, and then I'm going to process it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to make sure you set up your profile, because of course you need an address here in Nigeria for them to ship your products to once they procure the products that you've asked them to help you with. Okay, so you want to go to your profile. Okay, and right here you can see your China address here if you are making use of them for just for them to ship your products. Okay, so you can send Steven this China address, so you can say China address. So here you find the China address. Okay, you can just copy this. Okay, you can copy both of them and send it to Steven to ship your products there. That's if you don't want to make use of Miss Wang. All right. So all you need to do is copy this address and send it to Steven and tell him to send your products to this address. Okay. And once Chris Vicon will receive the products, and always tell Steven if you're making use of this to make use of your name. Okay, this name right, because that's what Chris Vicmore will use to identify you. All right. Okay, so once you've been able to do that, if that's the process, you just want to use them for shipping. But if you're using them for um, purchase and shipping, you don't need to do that because they will handle that for you. Then what you need to do is add your shipping address. Okay, so you go to your shipping address book. Okay, so you fill in your name, the person that's going to receive it, you fill in the phone number, then you fill in your residential address. Make sure this address is traceable. Okay, then you fill in your city also. Then, of course, the country, if it's Nigeria or Ghana. All right. So once you've been able to do that, you just click on Add to Address Book, and it will be added to your address book. Okay. So that's how easy it is for um, you to make use of Chrisvicmall. Okay, but the first thing first is to make sure you have money. Okay, you have cash, you have funds in your account. Okay, so that's how you can make use of Chrisvicmall. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message. You can always send me an email, and I will respond to you. All right, the best. Bye.